Here we are today at the Sheraton downtown in Denver, Colorado for the 32nd annual ISHRS convention, which is a pretty big deal. The ISHRS, of course, is the mothership. It is what coordinates and helps bring together the individuals around the world who have a sincere interest in doing hair restoration surgery and taking care of any and all things that have to do with hair loss. We're amongst a number of individuals that maybe some of us, we haven't seen each other for a year or two. And that's always a great feeling to be able to reconnect with your friends and your colleagues and so forth. And it's not every day you get to do that. But more importantly, this is a type of meeting that helps to sort of refresh your energy and remind you of the things that are going on and things that maybe have changed a little bit, as well as getting the individuals who are trying to get into the field an opportunity to meet up with some of the individuals who've been around for quite some time. When you talk about continuing medical education, it's obviously an important component in any subspecialty or any specialty period. A physician has to keep up with the times. Things are changing rapidly around us. And that holds true for medicine as well. The things that we thought were exacting 5 years ago are changing. And we're learning about those changes. That's why at CME, it's important to stay up to date with what's new and what's coming out, and also what's been improved upon that has been in existence for quite some time. As far as the exhibition hall and being able to walk through there, there's two things that really come to mind. Number one, it gives us an opportunity to see sometimes some of the latest, newest technology that we knew nothing about. And it's on display right in front of you, and you can learn a lot. You know, it's happened to me many times. Obviously, one of the big ones that stand out is the SurgiHeal Pro. SurgiHeal Pro was nowhere 2-3 years ago. Now it's exploding all over the country because people are understanding and learning about it. And these are the perfect venues in which to do something like that. Learning about new instrumentation. I've changed out a number of things in my practice just by seeing different types of blades, using a sapphire blade instead of a regular steel blade. Such a game changer. And so little things like that can make a big difference overall in your practice. And you're going to run into half a dozen or more people that you haven't seen in a long time. And that's what makes it fun, is that right around the corner may be somebody you haven't seen in 2 or 3 years, and you get to reconnect. But the technology is amazing. And it's really fun to see what's out there. And they put it right there so that you can see it.